Hi guys, naghahanap ba kayo ng house and lot located in Calamba, Laguna? Merong 70 square meter lot area at floor area na 50 square meter at merong provision of 2-car garage. Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. By the way, I'm JM Barashari from GoRealty.ph. Tara, check natin. So guys, pagpasok natin is makikita agad natin ang living area and the dining area, the kitchen, and this is the one toilet and bath. And guys, ito ang isa sa nagustuhan ko sa bahay na to dahil may kasama na itong sliding door papunta sa parking area. And take notes, ang turnover ng unit is with tiles ang ground floor at ang second floor po is semi-furnished. And guys, based on this up unit, meron po itong provision of 3 bedroom. So guys, depende naman po ito sa inyo kung ilang bedroom po mas preferred niyo. Pwede rin naman po dalawa para mas malaki po ang space. At kung pasok po ito sa criteria na hinahanap ninyo para sa inyong dream house, tara, message na po ako, tutulong ko kayo. And this is my contact number guys. Thank you.